we just saw images of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal entering Mallikarjun Kharge's residence for this meeting, but no good news for Arvind Kejriwal from court. The news just coming in, no immediate relief for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. No order passed on his interim bail plea in court. Arvind Kejriwal had filed a bail plea. He sought more time. He wanted to get some medical tests done, including a PET scan and a CT scan. But Arvind Kejriwal has not been granted any immediate relief. No order has been passed. Arvind Kejriwal will have to surrender tomorrow and will have to go to Tihar jail. He'd sought interim relief. He'd been granted interim relief till the 1st, which is today. He wanted to campaign till the end of this final phase of elections for 2024. He's done that. No relief. He sought 1 week's additional time. He wanted time to get some medical tests done, but that relief has not been granted. We are told that Arvind Kejriwal will have to surrender in court. Earlier, during Arvind Kejriwal's bail plea hearing at the Rouse Avenue court, now representatives of the Enforcement Directorate, they had claimed that Supreme Court directives had prohibited Arvind Kejriwal from seeking any interim bail extension, permitting, of course, only a regular bail application. That's the information that's coming in. The Enforcement Directorate had opposed the bail petition filed by Arvind Kejriwal in that alleged money laundering case in regard to the Delhi liquor policy. It informed the special judge, that is the ED case. The ED case is that Arvind Kejriwal had suppressed facts and made false statements, including about his health. India Today's Aishwarya Paliwal now joins me for more on this. It's a setback for Arvind Kejriwal. I want to also quickly bring in Srishti Ojha into this conversation, and Srishti joins us from court. Srishti, what was Arvind Kejriwal's petition seeking bail? What did the ED say, and what next for Arvind Kejriwal?
Well, Gaurav, as of today, Arvind Kejriwal has not gotten any relief from Delhi's Rouse Avenue court. Arvind Kejriwal had moved the lower court seeking regular bail. Along with that, he also filed an application seeking interim bail before he surrenders to get some medical tests done. Medical grounds were raised in order to get some relief from the court. Now, ED today very strongly opposed his plea by Arvind Kejriwal, saying that Arvind Kejriwal has been campaigning strenuously this entire month since he got any interim bail from Supreme Court. Why were these tests that he's claiming to have gotten done now were not done earlier? According to Enforcement Directorate, Arvind Kejriwal has been feigning his sickness. He's not really sick, but he's only concocting reasons to get these to get this interim relief from court in form of an extension. ED has said that he suppressed reasons. He's not to inform the lower court that Supreme Court has already refused to grant any extension, and since Supreme Court had directed him to clearly surrender on 2nd, the lower court does not have the power or the jurisdiction to extend his bail. Now, Kejriwal's lawyers very clearly said that they are not seeking any extension of interim bail. They're only seeking 7 days time or even 5 days time if the court finds it fit, only to allow him to be outside to get some medical tests done, because he is a diabetic and he is suffering from various medical ailments. Now, the court has reserved its order today. However, they did not pass the order today and said that the order will be passed on 5th of June, which is basically 3 days after the date that Arvind Kejriwal is due to surrender. Now, Arvind Kejriwal's lawyers did request court, saying that their plea will become infructuous if an order is not passed today. However, the court countered them, saying that if they're not in fact seeking an extension of the interim bail, how will their plea become infructuous? If only interim bail is being sought, then the court can very easily pass the order on 5th, and dependent on that, they can know whether or not any interim bail will be granted or not. But
so
yeah,
this
as of
automatically
now,
means that Arvind Kejriwal will have to surrender tomorrow. He will have to go to Tihar Central Jail tomorrow, Srishti.